Good afternoon, guys. Time check. Ayun pala. Good morning pa pala. Yun. And then, yun. Time check. 11:48. Yun. Happy Saturday, guys. Yan, dito tayo sa Magallanes. Wala lang. Takad lang tayo. Walking habit. Just to relieve my stress. Yun lang po. Sabi ko. Tisod pa ako. Yun. Kamusta naman ang inyong araw, guys? Hopefully you have a wonderful day. Despite of, yeah, you see. Makulimlim ang panahon. Makulimlim ang ulap. Gobe naman pa, na hindi umulan. Para sulit yung paglalakad natin for this day after our shift on duty. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you around later. Have a great day.